All right, guys. So welcome to Mindset Hustle Affiliate Marketing Masterclass 101. Okay. So all you need to know about affiliate marketing is packed in this particular masterclass course. So all I need from you is to pay attention to all that I'm going to talk about in these particular lessons that we will have over these few coming days or week. All right. So today we'll be having our first ever lesson, and that lesson is going to be the introduction to affiliate marketing. Okay, introduction to affiliate marketing, where we will look at the general overview of what affiliate marketing is, and then we'll clarify some doubts about affiliate marketing. All right, so a lot of people do ask, is affiliate marketing the same as network marketing? Okay, I know a lot of people that think of affiliate marketing as though it is what network marketing, but what I can tell you here today, right now, is that affiliate marketing is totally different from network marketing. These are two different things, and I'm going to give you the differences between these two guys, that is affiliate marketing and network marketing. So someone asked, then Prof, what is the difference between affiliate marketing and network marketing? So here I'm going to use my whiteboard to explain to you what affiliate marketing and network marketing is, what these two guys are, and for you to have a very clear picture of the topic affiliate marketing and not look at it as though it is network marketing. Okay, so let's begin. So I'm going to share my whiteboard, and then I'm going to show you. Okay, I will demonstrate to you the difference between the two. All right. So now let's take affiliate marketing first. Okay. Now, when I talk about affiliate marketing, I'm talking about promoting a service. Okay. A digital service. Let me put it that way. A service that is not a physical service. Okay. The service where you don't need to have the physical product to sell before getting a commission. Okay. This is a service where you only need to sign up onto the affiliate system or the affiliate program of a company. So for instance, let's say we have, let me say, this is company A, okay? And company A here, okay, is having an affiliate program for its services. Okay, so let's say what company A does is it produces what we call weight loss supplements. Okay, so let's say company A produces what weight loss, weight loss product. Now, company A is looking to reach a lot of customers, okay, a lot of people, but they don't want to spend a lot of money on advertisement and so on and so forth. So they don't have the money, the resource to spend on advertisement. So they want to collaborate with people who already have audiences that are looking to lose weight. Okay, so that is where an affiliate comes in. That is where you and I, who are in those niche. Okay, so for instance, let's say you have a blog that always talks about products that make people lose weight, or you are a fitness coach, okay, or who has your own fitness center. You have people coming there to lose weight. So these products are for you guys. Okay, these services, this affiliate program are for people like that. And what happens is, so let's say this is you, the affiliate. Okay, so this is you, the affiliate. Okay, or let me put it like this. So let me use a YouTuber for example. Okay, so let's say this is a YouTuber. who has a weight loss channel. Okay, so all this person talks about is what? Weight loss. He only teaches about weight loss on his channel. What is going to happen here is this person is going to what? Is going to sign up. He's going to what? Sign up onto the affiliate program. Okay, so this company has what we call an affiliate program. Okay, for their product. All right, so this person is going to what? Sign up to this program. Once you sign up, you'll receive what we call an affiliate link. So this YouTuber you will receive an affiliate link. So this link is a unique link that you'll be promoting. Okay, so the link that you receive is a unique link. So in the next lesson, maybe I'll show you an example of what an affiliate link looks like. So don't worry, when we get into the next lesson, that is lesson 2, I'll talk about, or I will show you what an affiliate link looks like. So you get this link, and then now you will create a content. Okay, since you are a content creator on YouTube, you create a video, okay, where you talk about how your audience who have already subscribed, that is your subscribers, okay, how they can lose weight using certain natural methods. Okay, so you create content for your audience. Okay, you create content for your audience. That's your subscribers, your listeners, your followers. Now, already you are under the weight loss niche. So these people already are interested in anything weight loss. So you create a content not specifically concerning this product that this company A is promoting, all right, but something around weight loss. Okay. Now, once you create that content, when you are done, you will now tell the people that are watching your channel that in the description of the video or the content you have created is a link to a weight loss product that they can as well use, okay, to what? To get them to reduce weight faster than the natural method that you are showing them. Okay, so your people will be curious to look at the product. So you can say a little thing about what the product, maybe the product does this, that. Now, that is one way. Another way is you can review the product. You can what? Review the product. So you can what? Make a review. You can make a review of this product. And then you add the unique link that you are given, which is the affiliate link. You add it to what? To the description or to your content that you've created, whether on Instagram, social media. So on Instagram, you can add the link to your bio. On any other social media platform like LinkedIn, whichever platform you are using, whether Medium, your blog, your site, WhatsApp status, WhatsApp group, Telegram page, wherever you are creating your content, you can add the affiliate link to your content. Now, your viewers are going to click on that link, and when they make a purchase, okay, so now your viewers clicks, okay, so customer clicks your link, okay, clicks link, and then when the customer make the purchase, the company will record the purchase because it is coming from your unique link that they give you, your affiliate link, which is unique to you alone. Because the click and the purchase is coming from that unique link. They will now process the whole thing, send the person his package and then pay you percentage of the amount that the person bought the product. So the percentage that is promised to be paid to you will now be sent to you. Here you are not buying anything. You are not paying before signing up. Listen to this because I'm differentiating the two. So under affiliate marketing, you are not signing up with money for anything. You are signing up for free to the program. You market the program on social media or your channel or your blog or your website. Somebody use your unique link to make a purchase and you earn commission for that. Good. Now let's look at what network marketing is. Now, when we come to network marketing, this is where the difference is. We have company A, okay? So I'll use a popular company. Okay, let me just use company A. Let me not use any real name. Let me just use company A. So let's say we have company A. Okay. Now, let's still use the weight loss. We are also what? Selling weight loss products. A weight loss product. Okay. Now, this time round, instead of we going to the company to sign up and get a unique link to promote their product, it's not going to be so. We are going to go to the company, sign up with certain amount of money. Then the company will give us their physical product. Then we will now go and sell this physical product to earn our money back that we've used to sign up. That is one. Number two, the company is expecting you before they pay you a commission. They are expecting you to refer people under yourself and build what we call a team. So they are expecting you to recruit people, build a team, train that team to also recruit others. Then based on that, you earn commissions on level basis. So maybe company A will say, after you register, let's say with you register with $100, okay, dollars. Then now the company will say, okay, after registration, you are expected to bring let's say 3 people, okay? You are expected to bring 3 people to qualify for maybe level one, and maybe let's say $150 monthly, weekly, or depend. Then they'll say, okay, for every referral you make, for every person you bring, once they sign up with $100, you get maybe $30 as sign-up bonus. Okay. Now, they'll tell you those first 3 people you sign up, they must also bring 3 people each for you to qualify for level 2 and maybe let's say $500. So this is how network marketing works. And this is stressful. Why? Because it entails a systemic strategy, including recruitment, generation of leads, and management of team members. So a lot of people refer to this system as a pyramid scheme. Okay. And this depends on sales that are heavily discounted. All right. So this is the difference between a network marketing, a network marketing and an affiliate marketing. So that is what you need to understand about the two. I hope there's a clear understanding. Now, if you don't understand it very well, you can ask questions on the WhatsApp group, okay, on the masterclass WhatsApp group. So if you are watching this on YouTube and you have not joined the masterclass WhatsApp group, the link will be in the description of this video. Click on it and join the masterclass WhatsApp group and ask your question. We first do have live lessons there before we post the video. So do well to join the group. The link will be in the description. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you have not, and leave this video a like if you are gaining something great from this lesson. Also, don't forget to share it with others so that they can also learn something new from this masterclass. So let's continue. So the next thing we are going to look at now is what affiliate marketing is by definition. Okay, so we look at the definition, then we look at why companies uh, uh, do affiliate marketing. Then we end lesson 1 and continue with lesson 2 in the next video. All right, so what is affiliate marketing? What is affiliate marketing? Okay, now affiliate marketing is a revenue sharing business model in which an affiliate advertises a business's goods and services to help them reach their marketing goals. So from the previous examples and demonstration I did on the whiteboard, you could see how I explained the whole thing. So that is what we call revenue sharing. So yeah, you don't need to put in your money or anything. The company does all the work. Yours is to market, advertise on social media, on your website, on your blog, on your WhatsApp status, your WhatsApp page, and all those things. You advertise there. Okay, and you, once somebody purchase through your unique link, you earn commission. Okay, you they share the revenue, the income, they share it with you. All right. Okay, now why do companies rely on affiliates? This is what I want you to understand. Why companies rely on what? Affiliates. Okay, one, to increase what we call sales, web traffic, and brand awareness. Two, to connect with a specific affiliate audience in its niche. Like, for example, let's say a weight loss product company will partner with a fitness blog or YouTuber to target fitness-minded readers and listeners, just as I explained earlier when we were using the whiteboard. So guys, this is the general overlook or introduction to affiliate marketing, and this is lesson 1. I will see you in lesson 2, where we will look at how affiliate marketing work. Okay, so in that lesson, I'll talk more on some of the topics that I didn't speak much on in this particular lesson. So we will end here today, and if you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section and I'll answer you, or you can join the WhatsApp group, which the link is in the description of this video, and then you leave your question on the WhatsApp group, or you can DM me directly with your question and I'll be glad to answer them. If you have not subscribed to the channel, do well to subscribe, and don't forget to share this video with others so that they can also acquire this wonderful knowledge. See you in the next lesson.